back. This time we're prepping up. Alright, before you guys are really interrupted, we're cleaning up part of the diff. This bracket goes onto the diff at the rear end, and it holds the sway bars on. I'm just trying to clean as much of the rust off of it and old paint as possible. Alright, so now I'm taping these up so they can get painted. I already painted the other ones. I got all the paint off the other ones and the rest. And now I'm just taping these off, these U-bolts off so they can get painted. I'm not going to paint the threads, obviously, because that'd be dumb. I didn't want to record me painting because I didn't want the overspray to get on the lens. I'm going to just tape off these threads. Good to go for paint. Okay, I'm gonna get the other one taped off, and then I come back when I'm on to something else. Okay, so now I'm taking off the brake lines so I could clean off the rear end. To be honest, I should be trying to take out the diff first, but oh shit. Fuck. That's why I hate this oil pan. It just splashes everywhere. Like, what the fuck, bro? It just splashes everywhere. It defeats the purpose of even having an oil pan. Or defeats the whole purpose. So dumb. After a very long and frustrating time of sitting here and looking at this, can you guys guess how many fucks I'm starting to give about this? Absolutely none. Absolutely none. Because because it is going on just like this, and I do not care. Permatex Ultra Black all the way around it. Only reason why I'm doing this is because I don't feel like taking out the posi, and I can't get the brake lines off. They're acting like complete bitches. So I'm gonna just throw this bitch back together. And just run it until it blows up. Just get a strange engineering at some rear end. I just want this thing to move already. And plus the axles on the back of that rear end is good. It shouldn't be leaking anytime soon. And the pinion bearing is, or the pinion seal is still pretty good too, so I don't really have to worry about that. But put the brake calipers on and the sway bar back on. The brake pads are pretty decent, like they'll do. I went ahead and cleaned up the studs and ran a nut on it to make sure that it goes on, put anti-seize on it. Yeah, that needs the parking brake cable, and they need to be clean. They're pretty dirty. I need brake lines. Clearly this is not gonna work. And that shit, that won't even come off. This won't even come off. Like if I can just get it to come off right here, in the spots we're supposed to come off at, I'd be fine. But it looks like I'm gonna have to cut this shit off. So once I cut it off, I can just go through and properly go over it. But the pinion's still pretty good. Like how FUBAR they put this bitch together with those washers and those Allen key bolts, like I wouldn't recommend, but it's just working right now, and I really just want this bitch to move. And I think the next thing we need is a transmission. Right now I'm done. Don't want to do anything else. I'm dirty as fuck. Fucking yeah. That's it.